Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use WhatsUpBot's group tab features. Let's dive right in. Enter desired group name. First, enter your desired name for the group you want to create. Be creative and give it a catchy title. Add phone numbers. Next, add all the phone numbers you want to include in the group. You have two ways to do this. You can enter the numbers manually, separated by commas, or by pressing enter. Alternatively, you can simply paste the numbers from anywhere, like an Excel file or any other source. Choose country. If all the phone numbers belong to a single country, select that country from the country option. WhatsUpBot's intelligence ensures seamless handling, even if some numbers lack country codes. In case you have phone numbers from multiple countries, select the multiple country option. Remember to add the appropriate country code for each number manually while using multiple country option. Create group. Now, you are all set. Click on the Create Group button and hooray! Your group is created. That's all it takes to create a group using WhatsUpBot's group tab. Enjoy seamless communication with your selected contacts in the newly created group. And there you have it. You've learned how to utilize WhatsUpBot's group tab features effectively. Enjoy a customized and secure WhatsApp experience with WhatsUpBot. Thank you for watching and happy WhatsApping with WhatsUpBot.